Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Animals signal danger through sound in various ways. Birds give alarm calls to warn of predators, while mammals like deer emit snorts. Some animals, such as meerkats, have complex vocalizations that specify the type of threat. These sounds serve to alert the group and trigger evasive or defensive actions. Understanding these signals can offer insights into animal behaviors and help in wildlife observation or conservation efforts.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.